How to turn on the flashlight using a shortcut on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set up a double press shortcut on your power button to toggle the torch instantly. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features to open the advanced settings. From there, tap on Side button to open the side button settings. At this point, you'll see a double press section. Go ahead and toggle it on to enable the double press shortcut. In the next step, tap on it to see the list of available actions you can assign to the double press. Following this, scroll through the options and select Torch or Flashlight from the list. Once done, go back to your home screen and double press the power button to test it out. The flashlight should turn on instantly. Finally, whenever you want to turn the flashlight back off, just double press the power button again, and it will switch off right away without you needing to open any settings or swipe down your quick panel. And that's it. If this guide helped you set up a flashlight shortcut on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.